And now let's move on to our next topic. It's all about chapter 5, socialization. Now, baka kasi itong socialization kasi, ma-misguided tayo sa definitions nito kasi magkatulad siya sa social interaction. Pero ano yung kaibahan? Kasi socialization, parang yung unang word social. Although it has root ng ganyan, dyan sila magkaparehas, pero malalaman natin ngayon ano yung pagkakaiba, okay? So, introduction to socialization. Socialization is the process to which people are taught to be proficient members of society. It describes the way people come, no? It is a process, that's why it describes something. Yung social interaction, it is an action, no? Sabi dito, no? Socialization is not the same as socializing or social interacting, okay? Social interaction with others like families, friends, and coworkers. To be precise, it is a sociological process, okay? That occurs, pero it occurs through socialization. It occurs on social interaction. No, so, paano natin nakikita yung socialization process? Nakikita natin to sa social interaction din natin. But then, it is a process, that's why it describes something. Okay? I hope it is clear. And in the following section, we'll examine the importance and complex of social process of socialization, how it takes place to interaction with the individuals, groups, and institutions natin. Paano tayo nakipaghalubilo? Ano yung process na yun na ginagampanan natin sa pamilya, grupo, sa mga institution natin sa lipunan. Okay? And lifelong process through which we become prepared for new social environments and expectation in every stage in our lives. But first, we will turn to scholarship about self-development, the process through which becoming to recognize the sense of self, that is to be socialized. So, of course, ang purpose nito, not just how we socialize, but then malaman natin yung sarili natin, sino tayo upon socializing to other people, okay? We have here, to understand how to socialize, dapat malaman natin yung sarili natin on which siya yung nag-socialize, okay? We have here the theories of self-development of the theories how to socialize. When we are born, we have the genetic makeup and biological traits. Alam na natin ito from our biopsychology. However, who we are as human beings develop through social interaction. Many scholars, both in fields of psychology and in sociology, have described process of self-development as precursor to understanding how the self becomes socialized. Okay? And we have here in the psychological perspective of self-development, psychoanalytic theories. Sigmund Freud was one of the most influential modern scientists to put on the board the theory how people develop a sense of self. He believed that personality and sexual development were closely related. Kasi kang Freud kasi is about the urges, sexual urges, yung mga sexual urges din natin, nagiging defense mechanism, and the like, and nagiging behavior natin. He divided maturation process into psychosexual stages, oral, anal, phallic, latency, and genital. He posited that people's self-development is closely linked to early stages of development like breastfeeding, toilet training, and sexual awareness. Okay? According to Freud, failure to properly engage in the disengagement, magkakami stage result in emotional and psychological consequences throughout adulthood. An adult with an oral fixation may indulge in overeating, Kasi pagbata ka pa daw in oral stage, magiging physical overeating and the like, magiging may bisyo ka. Okay, the next part naman is the sociology. Ano yung kaibahan ng sociology or psychology? Sabi dito, both naman kasi, is interested in dealing with behavior. They want to know someone's behavior. Pero yung sociology, although sociologist wants to know our behavior, but yung ginagamit niya ditong lens is society. Tinitignan niya lahat sa society. While psychology, wants to know our behavior, tinitignan niya sa mind, our behavior, and our soul. Okay? Yan yung kaibahan nila. I hope it's so clear. Ilang beses ko nang na-tackle to. Okay? And naman dito, ito, isang psychological theorist naman, Erik Erikson, makatuloy siya kang Freud, but then may kaibahan dito kasi 8 stages sa kanya, kang Freud 5 lang. Created a theory of personal development based in part on the work of Freud. However, Erikson believed that personality continued to change over time and was never fully finished. His theory includes 8 stages of development beginning with the birth and ending to death. According to Erikson, people move through these stages throughout their lives. In contrast to Freud, focus on psychosexual stage and basic human urge. Okay? Erikson is views of development give credit to more social aspects. Okay? Jean Piaget naman, nakapokus si Jean Piaget kasi sa mga about child development. Okay? He recognized that development of self-evolved through negotiation between the world exists one's mind as the world exists with experience ng isang bata. Sociological theories naman tayo kasi psychological yun sa atin. How about the sociological theories of development? Okay? One of the pioneering contributors of the sociological perspective is Charles Cooley. Alam na natin to, Looking Glass Self, in which he asserted people under self-understanding is constructed in part of their perception how others view them. George Herbert Mead studies the self, a person's distinct identity that is developed through social interaction. Dito po, iba ka by yourself because you are distinct through your social interaction to other people. Okay? Finally, child development understand and learn the idea of generalized others, the common behavior expectation of general society. By this stage of development, an individual is able to imagine how or she is viewed by many others. Hanggang na-develop ka na hanggang pagkabata mo. Let's move on naman to Kohlberg's theory of moral development. So, ang Kohlberg's kasi, bata, matanda, iba kasi yan ng moral standard. Okay? Now, the term refers to the way people learn what society considered to be good and bad, which is important for smoothly functioning society. Moral development prevents people from acting on unchecked urges, instead considering what is right for the society. Meron yung stages po, levels, pre-conventional level, conventional, and post-conventional. Okay? And Gilligan's theory of moral development, ang kaibahan kasi dito, kang Kohlberg kasi guys, no, na-focus siya sa moral development niya sa mga lalaki lang, no? Tinas niya yung moral development or kaibahan ng pag-iisip to consider something as good and bad. Mga lalaki lang kasi yung kamalian niya. Well, Carol Gilligan, yan pa rin pero sinalin niya dito yung gender, okay? Yan yung kaibahan nila. Why socialization matters? Kasi nga, hindi lang natin dito malalaman or makipag-socialize sa other people, malalaman natin yung sarili natin dito and how we act in accordance to society. Okay? Katulad nga dito, socialization teaches us a society expectation for dining out. Paano tayo kumain, makipaghalubilo sa mga culture, paano tayo makipag-relate. Okay? It's all about relation. And here we know here about nature versus nurture. Yung nature, all about kung sino tayo sa individual. Having this biological, may katawan tayo, may utak tayo, and nurture naman, no, aside sa being nurture, no, some expert asserts that who we are as a result of nurture or relationship and caring that surrounds us, and according to this belief or naman sa nature naman, our temperaments, interests, and talents, from this perspective din who depends on our nature, biological aspect natin, kung sino tayo. Katulad nito ng kambal, they have the same nature, no, katulad sila ng mukha, ganon. Pero, in terms of in the response, makikita mo kasi, bakit sila nagkakaiba ng response? Kambal naman sila. Kasi nga, in their nurture, baka doon nagkaiba, okay? Even though they are identical twins. Agents of socialization. Ito yung mga, socialization helps people learn to function successfully in their social world. How does the process of socialization occur? Saan to nangyayari? How do we learn to use object of our society's material culture? How do we come to adopt beliefs, values, no? The norms. Now, this learning takes place through the interaction to the various agents of socialization like peer groups, families, both formal, informal, and social institutions. So, we have here, no, the social agent groups. Social groups often provide the first experiences of socialization. The family, the peer group, okay? So, we have here the family is the first agent of socialization. We have here the mothers, fathers, sibling, plus members of the extended family, all teach child and what she or she needs to know. Example, paano maglaba, no, such as clothes, paano magsuot, no, paano magbike, example and the like. So meron tayong kuan dito, no, ama, no, inakay niyo anak niya. Okay? And of course, peer group, yung mga kaibigan natin, dito tayo natututo, no, ng paano maglaro, no, paano makipaghalubilo din at some point, no, sa mga kaibigan natin. Peer group is made out of people who are similar in age. Yung mga, hindi siya peer group pala guys, kundi mo siya similar of age. No? Kakilala lang. and social status who share interest. Okay, peer group socialization begins in earliest years. Kababata mo, sila yun. So, sino yan sila? Okay, yung mga kababata mo. And of course, we have here institutional agents, no? Mga institusyon, no? The social institutions of our culture also inform our socialization. We have here formal institutions like schools, workplace, and government teaches us people how to behave in navigate the systems. Other institutions like media, it still contributes to socialization by inundating us with messages about norms and expectation nyo. May paaralan tayo, di ba? Dito tayo natututo at some point, no? And we have, actually sa pag-aaral, meron din tayo tinatawag na hidden curriculum. No? School and classroom rituals led by teachers serve as role in models and leaders regularly reinforce us what society expects us as children. Sociology describe this aspect of schools as hidden curriculum or the informal teaching done by in school. Okay? The workplace, yung kapag trabaho natin, such as children spend much time in school, darating sa point na magtatrabaho din siya. No? Although socialized into their culture since birth, workers require new socialization in workplace. Kasi iba na to, formal na kasi siya. No, meron tayong non-material culture, no, like machines, and meron tayo ditong material culture. Of course, we have religion. Dito tayo natututo ano yung tama at mali in our religion, knowing there is God, beliefs, and religious beliefs. Our government, although we do not think about it, many of our rights passage people go through daily base of the age norms, yung mga batas, no? Sa atin, legal, pwede pa maging gawing legal ba to? Dito tayo sometimes nag-act, example of discrimination. According man yan sa law sa government, pag may pinasa silang batas, you will socialize in accordance. We have mass media, no? Refers to the distribution of impersonal information in a wide audience such as television, radio, meron tayong internet. Okay, dito tayo natututo. Now, why socialization matters across the life, no? Socialization isn't as one over time, no? Or even short time. We are instamped by some socialization machines as we move on along to the conveyor belt and thereby socialize with others. No, dito kasi natin nalalaman kung ano yung maturation natin. In the process of example, ganun ako nakipag-socialize sa kanya, baka hindi ako mature, okay? In the process of socialization, adults bring new set of challenges and expectations as well as new roles naman. Dito tayo natututo. Example sa edad mo, ito, nalalaman mo yan, yung roles mo, mag-settle down. Meron tayong tinatawag na anticipatory socialization or the preparation of future life roles. No? Nalalaman mo na, magiging ito ako, therefore, susundin ko to. Ganon. And of course, meron din tayo ditong, resocialization. The process of resocialization, all behaviors that were helpful in previous role are removed because they are no longer. Resocialization is necessary when a person moves to a senior care center, goes to boarding school, serves as in a jail, no? Nagbabago ka talaga para makakup up. Okay? And meron tayong tinatawag itong degradation ceremony. New members lose the aspect of their old identity and given new identities. Like this, nung nagkakameron ng degradation ceremony. Example, itong mga sundalong to, nagkakameron daw sila ng degradation ceremony kasi, before, mahiyain siguro to sila, no? Nabigyan sila ng bagong identity. Pero at some point naman, hindi man negative aspect, no? At some point, yung pagiging mahiyain na before, naging matapang sila to help other people, to protect them. Okay? And like that. And the like. So, yun lang pala. And thank you. So, I believe na ipopost ko to and I believe let's discuss this. Next week na kasi yung exam natin, no? Let's fast track.